Hey everyone, this is how you download the Klarna app on Android. So open the Play Store on your device. So from here, you'll see three options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on search on the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar at the top and type in Klarna. Here, you see a Klarna Shop Now Pay Later app which has 50 million plus downloads. Simply tap on it. And after a few moments, your Klarna app will be ready to use. And this is how you can download on your Android device. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.